If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything. Here our daffodil class children present the drama on Bountiful Nature.
All the best, kids. Let's start. The beauty that nature offers delight people around the globe. The creatures that live, breathe, and survive amidst the beauty of nature. Let's journey through their lives and witnesses through these creatures. Summer. The earth is warm. The sun is blaze. It is time of carefree days. And a bee buzz that chances to pass may see me snoozing in a dry grass.
Oof, so hot. I miss the cool water shower on my body. The blue basket. I miss the days when animals used to run around and I chased them for hunting. Oh, beautiful jinkies, where are you? What a lovely day it is. Lovely? What? Lovely? Are you alright? But not to let the weather is home. The sun is shining. I can roam around all around without hurting. It has been so long to see green trees. With the cool breeze once again. Come again.
The sky seems gloomy. There is something magical about rains. How it cleanses your senses, relaxes, and freshens you better than any other thing.
Thunder of clouds make me feel soon the mother nature will be full of glee. As my picnic is over.
तुम्हारे
नाच रे मोरा आंब्याच्या वनात नाच रे मोरा ढगांशी वारा झुंजला रे काळा काळा कापूस पिंजला रे आता तुझी पाळी वीज देते टाळी आता तुझी पाळी वीज देते टाळी तुला पिसारा नाच नाच रे मोरा आंब्याच्या वनात नाच रे मोरा नाच रे
All of my food is blessings. Do not think. If you feel wonderful of this job and doesn't make the river. What? Aha! So much good. Aha! So much water to hop and jump and swim swarm of insects. Glub, glub, glub. I am feeling so happy. The vast ocean, I filled with water once again. My habitats are bigger. Swimming the water, swimming the water. Blub, blub, blub.
The leaves are yellow,
Hi.
red, and
Hi,
brown.
guys.
A shower sprinkles softly down. The air is fragrant, crisp, and cool.
Leaves are changing colors, changing colors, changing colors. Autumn leaves are changing colors all over town. Autumn leaves are changing colors, changing colors, changing colors. Autumn leaves are changing colors all over town.
There is a little near down to the left in my hair. Indigo.
Squirrel enters, peeps, run away, comes back, goes, and then starts collecting the food.
I'm like autumn.
Ma'am, Akshay.
Yes, Mama.
Aging in the night, hiding for this, leave where the this forest. Neither I can be poet. Okay, friend, let's go. Please and store the food for winter.
The birds are gone, the world is white, the winds are wild, the chill and bite. The ground is thick with slush and slick, and I can barely feel my feet.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight! Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in the
Time to learn Toby. Wintershire, since you age. Look at this. Fingers. Oh, time for me. It's super so cool. And bye-bye. Ta-da.
The fields are rich with daffodils, a coat of clover clothes the hills, and I must dance and I must sing to see the beauty of the spring.
Magical flower on the blue. Nectar is my behind soon. I will fly from where? Where? I feel like a queen. पिछले बार पहला turn of the year. Fresh fragrance of colorful flower. I collect more and more collects. Bye bye. See you. bright colors everywhere. With the colors bringing here for some time. To solve the animal just fine.
All together, beauty of nature bind us all. We love this seasons from our soul.
Nature is wide, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody. Nature is wide, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true. Nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever be free. Nature is wide, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody. Nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true. Nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever be free.
Thank you all.